Hi everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Rida Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Vegas.pk YouTube channel. So in the video today, I'm going to teach you how to create this look. This is another evening look and it's perfectly glam and brown and trendy. So for creating this look, I'm going to take the Balm products. I'm a really big fan of the Balm. I think all their products are very catchy, very high quality and very neutral in shades that you can use in your daily wear makeup and also a fancy look like this. So let's get started without further ado and grab a snack. Now to start my look, I'm going to use the Balm's Tinted Moisturizer and it's in the shade 10. I'm going to do my foundation first because this moisturizer is not super coverage, it's for daily wear. So I hope it's not going to mess up my makeup look for today. So let's get started. Here's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below. Till the next one, take care and bye-bye.